Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. Okay, so tonight, I am going to be making breakfast frittatas. So this is really good for the work week or for the school week when you want to just grab something healthy and go. This is going to make it really easy. So super simple. What I've done is I have my muffin tray sprayed with Pam, nonstick spray, whatever you use. And I have in here 10 eggs and a quarter cup of milk. And that is approximately, let's see, about 2.5 cups of eggs. Okay, and I have cheese all ready to go. And over here, I've already sauteed mushrooms. I have baby Portabello mushrooms. I have some yellow green peppers, yellow bell peppers, some zucchini, a little teeny bit of garlic, salt and pepper, and some fresh spinach. And I've sauteed all of that. What we're going to do, super easy, we're going to come over here. We're going to pour a little bit of egg in each little area here. I probably put a little bit too much. You want to fill them about a quarter of the way full because they are going to rise. And you're going to be putting vegetables in them. Got some of the whites in here. I mixed them really well. Okay, so that's all I have left after 10 eggs and a quarter cup of milk. So that's pretty good for 12 muffins. Okay, so I'm going to come over here. I'm going to cheat a little bit because I want to see what I'm doing. Let's get some vegetables in there. Just put whatever you're going to put in there. You can even put tomatoes in it. You can put anything you want in these. Oops, it's probably a little bit too much for that cup. See, I'm probably going to use the rest of that egg. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see how much these pop up. I've never made these. Oh, I've put bacon in these too. Little teeny bits of bacon. I used 1 slice for all of this. Sorry. And I cut the vegetables really small into little diced pieces. And once I get this all done, I'm going to have to do 2 videos for this because I still don't have editing. I know it's been a few months, but I'm actually super busy during the day right now. Well, maybe I didn't make enough spinach for my liking. I love spinach. Let's see. You guys, my computer's not even up and running yet. It's up. It's hooked up, kind of. I just need an extension cord. That's all I need. Not procrastinating. I just have a lot of stuff going on. And I haven't canned since my last canning video, and I really need to do that. Need to go through some inventory. So there's a ton I need to do. So this is what I have left after all of that. So I should have put a little bit more spinach in, I would think. Let's put some more in here. I'm going to try to use up some of that egg too. I can actually make a couple more muffins if I really wanted to. These are probably going to pop over, you watch. I will show the results of these. So I bake them in the oven, 375 for 15 to 20 minutes, or until done all the way through. So I'm going to try to put a little bit more egg in these. Probably not that one. Yeah, I'll probably make another couple. These are 12, and there's 2 of us that aren't going to be here in the mornings. So that's enough almost for a week. Okay, so I'm going to put these in the oven. This is what they look like. And I will come back for the finished video. Oh, cheese. Goodness, see? Okay, so I've had a really bad migraine. Let's put some cheese on these. Probably since Thursday. And I can't think right when I have a migraine. I don't know about you guys. I've had to just work through it because I've been super busy. Okay. Oops. Excuse my crossed arm there. You can put Parmesan. This is just cheddar. You can put Parmesan, queso cheese, whatever you want. You can fill these with. Okay, so these look good, right? For the first time. We'll see how much they puff up and how much trouble I'm in. Okay, so we'll come back with a finished video as soon as this is over. $3.75 for 15 to 20 minutes. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, please hit the like button so that I know that you're watching. And leave a comment if you'd like. Thank you. I hope everyone had a fantastic Thanksgiving. Everyone who celebrates it. If not, I hope everyone had a beautiful weekend. See you later. Bye.